Here's some big news coming in. TMC ups the ante against Modi government over Pegasus Snoop Gate. Says will continue to protest in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha until the government agrees for a debate over the charges on snooping. Here's TMC MP Mahua Moitra saying the debate will continue, or rather the ruckus will continue over the Pegasus Snoop Gate until the government decides to debate.
Government is ready for discussion.
So we protested this morning. We have also given notices in both houses. And let me today make it very, very clear. The issue is so important that the All India Trinamool Congress will not allow Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha to run at all till the government comes and has an open discussion on this.
To compromise.
Let me cut across to Anand Patel joining us live. More details on that. Anand, we heard Derek O'Brien speak. Mahua Moitra also right beside her. TMC there insisting that there must be a debate. Only then will they allow the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha to function. Until then, they will not agree to have a proper conversation or listen to what the government has to say unless and until these charges are discussed.
Well, yes, in Lok Sabha, the opposition is united over the Snoop Gate issue, and we saw disruptions after disruptions, and finally the Lok Sabha had to be adjourned till Thursday. But in Rajya Sabha, there is differences of opinion over the issue between different parties. The Congress party agreed for a short discussion on the COVID issue, whereas TMC was insisting that the government should first allow discussion over Pegasus Snoop Gate issue itself. So clearly that is there. The discussion in Rajya Sabha is going on despite TMC's walkout. But as far as the Prime Minister's meeting, which was the floor leader meeting at 6 p.m. Over COVID management, in which the Health Secretary is to give a presentation. A number of political parties from the opposition have boycotted the meeting. The Congress party has said it will not attend that meeting. Even Shiromani Akali Dal, which was with the NDA till recently, has said it will not attend the meeting. Aam Aadmi Party has also taken a similar stance. So a number of political parties have already made it very clear that they will not be attending the meeting unless the government, which is allowing a discussion in Rajya Sabha, but Lok Sabha there is no clear word. And also the parties are admitting, saying that since the Parliament session is on, so what is the point in having a separate discussion on COVID outside the floor of the House?
Right.
Nabila.
Anand, thank you very much for joining us with those details.